Let's check out the new Weofly Conquer 2. On this watch not only we get inbuilt GPS, AMOLED display, but also incredibly nice build quality. So let's check out everything we get. First, our watch. And we get really nice premium build quality on this watch. As you see, the whole body is made from very premium metal. Also very nice metal buttons here and scroll wheel as well. So when it comes to build quality, this appears incredible actually. Literally feels built like a tank. We have speaker and microphone as well on this watch. Also inside the box we get a bunch of accessories, including this fabric strap, also extra rubber strap, magnetic charger here, and also a bunch of manuals as well. And this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. I do have fairly small wrists, but for me it actually fits absolutely spot on. And also it feels also very comfortable as well. So yeah, definitely when it comes to style and design, this is actually a very nice looking watch indeed. Also the included strap also appears of very decent quality, and it's even Weofly branded. We get a very nice metal buckle here. You see also a very nice waterproof rating on this watch. And this is what it looks like with the fabric strap. This also definitely looks very smart indeed. And let's check out everything we get on the watch. So if I swipe down, I can access my quick settings. For example, I can quickly change the brightness of the screen. When it comes to brightness, it's actually a very bright screen actually indeed. So you can clearly very well see it outdoors in sunlight as well. So if I swipe like this, I can also access my notifications here. And if I swipe up, I can get access to various tiles. For example, my exercise summary here, an activity tile, where I can see my steps walked, distance, calories, active calories, and also I can check the details and goals reached for the past days as well. Then yep, we can literally play music on this watch as well. And when it comes to speaker quality, I'm actually very surprised at just how loud and clear the speaker is on this watch. Definitely when it comes to speaker quality, this really has to be one of the best watches out there. Also the scroll wheel on this watch also is actually very decent indeed. So not only the build quality is good, but also the feedback when you actually use it. It's pretty much instant and feels very premium actually. So you see also we have basically a bunch of health stuff that we can see over here, such as your current heart rate. So yeah, if I actually put the finger over here, it can detect it. Also we can literally see your resting heart rate, and you'll be able to see the resting heart rate date for the past days as well. So you can follow basically how it goes. Also we can see our blood oxygen levels here as well, if you need that stuff. So it says it has got blood pressure, but honestly I wouldn't actually rely on this stuff. So it's just a watch, I'm not sure how good that is. Also we have stress tracking as well here, so you'll be able to see basically the chart for the and history basically as you wear it more. Also we can see the weather date here as well. Let's see just how nice the system is, so we can see full forecast here for the next days as well. Okay, also we can set multiple alarms here as well. We can do sleep tracking, and also we can check our workout records here, women's health, cycle tracking, also stopwatches. See, we can literally start and like even stop it, or simply click over here to go. So yeah, the system definitely on this watch is actually very impressive indeed. Also, we have a bunch of different timers, so you can also like quickly like tap on any of these to start maybe 5-minute timer. So if I click over here, see you can also like choose custom time or more things here as well. and also dual time zones, and also you can very easily edit this thing here as well. Then if I press this button over here, I can quickly launch like a workout. So you see by default we have these over here, and you can also add more. So you see they're categorized in various categories. So when we check the total amount, so you see absolutely insane amount, probably well over 100 definitely, yep. So you see what we have, for example, in the winter sports. Even martial arts, weightlifting. So yeah, when it comes to sports tracking, this is actually very decent indeed. So yep, we literally even have inbuilt GPS as well on this watch at this price. To get inbuilt GPS, yeah, I think that's actually absolutely awesome as well. So we can either wait or simply click start now. And so this is what the system actually looks like. We can also very easily control our music during the screen as well. So also like scroll here, can we use the scroll wheel? Nope, not here. And yep, you can also hold this like lower button to end the workout as well. So if I press this, I can make it go to sleep essentially, or also this can be used in some menus as back button, I guess. So you see, yeah, actually pretty cool. And if you basically press and hold on your watch face, you can also swap over the watch face to something different. So let's see what we have. For example, obviously if you connect this watch to a phone, you can download many more watch face on this watch. Yeah, also the watch face selection is actually fairly decent. So if I press my scroll wheel, I can go basically in all my applications over here. So for example, we can literally make and receive calls as well from this watch. So we can either select from contacts or basically dial someone directly. Okay, let's check out what more we have. So we already covered these things, but yeah, we even have sleep tracking as well. We even have voice assistant as well, but obviously you will need to have your phone in range, so it simply like routes through the phone this stuff. Weather, also a bunch of breathing exercise that we can do here. Dual time zone, notifications, alarms, also a calculator even. So yeah, pretty cool. Also we can remotely control our phone camera as well. Flashlight. So it simply illuminates the screen. I really wish actually this watch included like a dedicated flashlight as some watches do these days. But still actually the brightness from this is actually fairly okay. Also we can find my phone as well. Women's cycle tracking and also a bunch of settings. So we have raise to wake function here as well. And literally even always on display as well. So we can select basically from the different always on displays. Okay, let's select this one for example. Also we can schedule it as well. Okay, and let's test the always on display. So this is what it would look like. So yeah, for this price, you're even getting always on display. Absolutely awesome. Also in the settings, we can also enable the sports recognition as well. And also we can configure basically this button key for any custom action. So by default it's to start workouts, but for example we can set it to launch a timer, for example. And yeah, so let's test it. So yep, basically I can now quickly start the timer. Absolutely awesome. And also let's quickly check out the app we get on this bad boy. So you can see your current step count. Also if you click over here, you can also see the history for the today and also the week and months as well. Your sleep tracking, if you care about that stuff, heart rate, date, you'll be able to see basically how it basically has been during the day. Like blood oxygen history here as well, stress, and so yeah. And if we go over here in the sports section, not only we can see the past exercise history that we have done, but also we can remotely start exercise as well from the phone app, as you see.
Workout paused. Workout resumed.
So actually, very cool indeed.
Workout paused.
And yep, again, this watch does get internal GPS, so we do not have to actually have all the phone range. Yeah, the GPS also is top selling point probably of this watch. Also, when it comes to battery life, so in the specs it claims we get like 10 days of battery life, but I suspect if you maybe disable some continuous tracking, maybe continuous heart rate tracking or the stress tracking, you can maybe even like get even like longer runtimes than that. By the way, also when you get this watch, make sure to go over here and enable the incoming calls, otherwise you won't be able to receive them, and also you can enable the continuous health stuff tracking as well if you need. And also we can enable the notifications for any app. So again, if you're not receiving some notifications for an app, simply go over here, enable it for whatever you need really. And if we click here, we can also like change the watch faces. So let it load. So you see you have different watch faces that you can download and send over to the watch. And the selection is actually crazy good. And we can manage other settings here as well. We even have SOS call function. And yeah, overall I think the new Weofly Conquer 2 is absolutely amazing, because not only we get top line build quality, for this price, this build quality looks like it's like worth way more. Definitely usually gets this kind of build quality maybe on smartwatch that cost maybe like $300 or $400. So yeah, absolutely awesome. So you see just how premium it actually looks like. Even we get always on display as well. Very decent quality straps on this watch as well. And best of all, really top line features, calls, speaker, microphone. So yeah, for this price, absolutely insane watch. Good luck.